In this video guide, I will provide you with recommendations on how to effectively remove the ransomware called Gilfillan. Gilfillan is a ransomware that attacks Windows files, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. I will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects the files. So, before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. But then, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may attack the files, and pretty soon you will realize that you cannot use these files anymore because indeed they are encrypted and damaged by this particular ransomware. So customers might suddenly restart their computers and then they realize that something bad has happened with the documentation and it is not possible to use these files. The ransomware encrypts these files and adds a special extension to them, and the extension is called Gilfillan. So removing the extension manually does not fix the issue. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not ever pay the ransom. First thing we recommend you to do is checking the task manager of your computer. In case you find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, such as this process, you need to right-click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. This can help you save at least some of the files from being damaged by this ransomware. Speaking about removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you need to go to Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com. So download the program using this green download button, install the software, and then to start it you might need to implement similar tricks. Go to the Combo Cleaner location and then start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. You might need to restart or reinstall Combo Cleaner to start it effectively. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.